Hi, this is copywriter and consultant Casey Demchek with this week's book marketing copy quick tip video. First off, I just want to say that I hope you're doing well and staying safe and sound. We're still in the middle of this COVID-19 situation. I live here in Denver, Colorado, and I notice more and more people are sneaking outside, riding their bikes and doing their thing. So I guess that's to be expected in the springtime. Anyway, what I want to talk about this week is a term that has a lot of controversy around it. I notice when I work with a lot of authors and coaches, if I use the term sales copy or persuasive sales copy, some of my clients kind of cringe. They're a little worried about using that term. But if you want to sell a lot of books or online programs, you do have to write marketing copy that's going to motivate or persuade people to buy your book or program. And here's a big important point I want to make. When you do a promotion campaign for your book, you're going to need public relations copy, which is a good thing to have, and also social media content, another good thing to have. This helps raise awareness for your book. But at some point, you're going to need sales copy that motivates people to buy your book now instead of later or never. And when you write this sales copy or persuasive sales copy, it doesn't have to be done in a hypey, sizzly way that manipulates people or pressures people or misleads people. It can be done in a style that is very conversational, as if you're having a simple conversation between you and a potential reader. So that's the big point I want to make with this video. Sales copy is much more about sequence than it is about style. So if you want to motivate somebody to buy your book, your copy, and this is just a very simple example, can follow a little sequence where the first thing you talk about is your reader and what their need is and what their challenge is, what they're trying to change in their life. Then you can paint a solution picture, kind of paint a picture of what your reader's world can look like if they were to overcome that challenge or meet that need. Then you can start describing the benefits of your book and do it in a way that really makes clear to the reader what they're going to get out of your book. Even more so than telling them what your book is about, really describe what the reader is going to get out of your book. So if you just take them through that little basic sequence of here's the challenge you have, here's how your life could look if you overcome this challenge, here's the benefits in my book that will help you overcome that challenge and transform your life. That's just a very simple sequence. Now, you can do that in a way that's very conversational, very down to earth, as if you're having a one-on-one conversation with a close friend. And that probably is the style most of the time you want to write in. Now, in upcoming videos, I'm going to give you more detail about how to create a motivating sequence and lead people through it. The point I wanted to make in this video is don't be afraid of the term sales copy, or don't be afraid of the need to write sales copy to motivate people to buy your book or online program, because it's a very necessary thing to do. And again, you can do it in a way that just takes people through a simple sequence, and you can do it in a style that is like having a simple conversation between you and a friend. So I hope this tip has been helpful. No matter where you're watching this video, why don't you scroll on down and leave me a comment. If you're on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. You'll be alerted when my new videos come out. And then maybe hop on over to caseydemchek.com, where you can download my free ebook, 7 Must-Know Copywriting Secrets That Sell More Books. And until next week, where I'm going to get into more detail about how to write a motivating copy, this is Casey Demchek. Take a lot of action, make things happen, and stay safe and sound.